How to chat with the counselor as a walk-in. There are two ways to chat with the counselor as a walk-in. The first way is by going through your MyChaffey login. First, visit our website at www.chaffey.edu. Then click MyChaffey Login located at the top of the page towards the middle. Log into your MyChaffey portal using your login credentials. You are now on the MyChaffey portal homepage. Click Canvas. It's located under the Launchpad on the left side. You are now on the Canvas dashboard. From here, click Student Support. It is located on the left under Studio within the Global Navigation menu. You may need to scroll through the menu to find it. You have now arrived at the Student Support Hub page. Next, click Online Counseling. It's located just beneath Success Center in the middle of the page. From here, you'll be able to select the counseling service that you prefer. From veteran counseling to EOPS counseling, we have it all here. When you're ready, click Chat Now directly beneath your preferred counseling service. You are now on your way to the counseling lobby. From here, a pop-up window will ask you for the reason for your chat. Once you have selected the reason for your chat, click Submit located at the bottom of the pop-up screen. You are now in the counseling lobby screen. The next available counselor will help you from here. The second way to chat with a counselor as a walk-in is by going directly to Cranium Café. First, visit the website chaffey.craniumcafe.com. Next, click on the circular Chaffey logo located on the far left side of the other logos, which is underneath Login. Now, use your login credentials to sign in. You are now on the Student Support directory. Scroll down to view a list of counselors. You can also search for a specific name or department in the search bar located on the top right corner of the page. You can see who is available for a virtual walk-in by looking for a green dot marked as online next to the counselor. Click Knock on Door to start your virtual walk-in. Once you have clicked the Knock on Door button, a chat window will appear, allowing you to speak directly to a counselor. The counselor can chat with you here or invite you into a virtual cafe to communicate through video. One thing to note is that you should stay on this chat window until you are finished meeting with the counselor. If you go to a different website, tab, or app on your phone, it will disconnect your session and not allow a counselor to respond to you until you return. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Additional tutorials are available in the Online Support Center on the Chaffey homepage. If you need additional assistance, please schedule an appointment with the counselor today.